Hi, everybody. We are getting ready to do our critique, and so this is something that happens pretty easily, if not always super comfortably, in a live class. So what I normally do is I write a bunch of questions up on the board, and you all can refer to them, and you can talk, answer them, look up at the board, answer those questions about your work. Each person in the critique, in a live critique, has an opportunity to present their work, and then they have an opportunity to comment on other people's work. And so our goal in these critiques, is to look at the work and say, okay, what is working? What isn't working so well? What could we do to improve? And the neat thing that happens in a live class is that, this student over here notices something. Hey, I tried this technique in my work and it really helped me improve. And somebody over here says, hey, how did you do that? That's so neat. Can you tell me how to do that? That's what we're trying to capture in a asynchronous critique. And I did it last quarter I did it in the winter when we had to go online suddenly, and it worked really well. But those students had the advantage of being able to have met each other before. And unfortunately, we don't have that quite as nicely in this class. But I want to encourage you that the thing that is neat about this is we each have our own perspectives and we each notice different things, and we've also each been researching different things. And so you have something valuable to add, whether it's, hey, that's neat how you did that, or whether it's, hey, I particularly like the rim, that part of that cup is working really well. Why didn't you do that on the other cup? Or whether it's, hey, you said you had trouble with this, I've got an idea for you. Okay, any of those kinds of things, or many I haven't mentioned, are also great. So I've listed down below, I've got a bunch of, it looks like a really long list, I'm sorry, but it is not that much work if you think about doing it in, standing in a class and doing it. So I've got questions for you to answer. I've got suggestions for how to present your work. I've got things I want you to interact with other people. I also want to say, if you'd like to, you are welcome to record a video and say, these are my artworks. That would be really neat because you can then turn the artworks around and show them to us. I have recorded lots of videos this quarter, and I know that it's not always fun to record and upload videos. So if you are up for that and you want to, go for it. That'd be awesome. You don't have to. You can type. But of course, you have to type. Sorry. And then one last thing for everybody. I don't think I need to say this. I always do, just in case. In fact, one quarter I didn't say it and I regretted it. So be nice. The point of the critique, yes, we are critiquing, but not like me, making fun of people. We are critiquing and saying what worked, what didn't work, and trying to enact an overall improvement for future, because we're going to do another project next week. And so, as you are talking to people, make sure to keep your criticism constructive. So obviously you can say things you like, but you do not have to limit yourself to just things you like. In fact, saying, oh, I like your cups is not useful in any way. But saying, I like this particular part of that particular cup is really useful. And saying, I don't think that other cup is working as well. Or, why is it that you did that? Or, hey, you had trouble. Sorry, I've said this again. I'm repeating myself. But saying that there was a problem and help giving constructive support for how you might fix that problem. They might fix that problem next time they did it. Or even saying, I had that same problem and here's what I did. And that's what's cool about a critique. And I just want to remind everybody to keep it friendly. Thank you.